no, 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 no.
M&Ms aren't just a crunchy yet creamy chocolate treat, they're a national treasure. Here are 10 things you may want to know about the iconic candies. Number 10. Their inspiration came from Spanish soldiers. During the Spanish Civil War, M&M founder Forrest Mars saw military men eating chocolate that had been coated with hardened sugar. He noticed that the shell kept the candy from melting, even under the sun's glare. In 1941, he patented a process for their manufacture. Number 9. The red ones were once thought to cause cancer. Therefore, in the mid-1970s, they were discontinued and stayed that way for about a decade. The kicker is that the candies never contained red number 2, the dye thought to contribute the disease. M&M just pulled them because of the public's perception of artificially red foods at the time.
I would do anything for love.
Number 8. They've been to space more than 130 times. The first trip was upon request by crew members of the 1981 Columbia mission. After that, they just became a regular feature. Number 7. The Obamas handed out very special ones for Halloween. The White House is typically well stocked with M&Ms, only the ones there are in custom boxes bearing the president's signature. Number 6. M&Ms turned down a chance to star in E.T. They were the first candy approach to play the role of the extraterrestrial's favorite treat. When Universal wouldn't provide them with a final script for review, they declined. Number 5. Crispy M&Ms are making a triumphant return. No doubt there will be much celebrating in January of 2015 when the crispy ones will once again grace candy aisles everywhere. Number 4. Remembering tan M&Ms may be an indicator of age. The company kicked the light brown ones to the curb in 1995. Ever since, and by popular vote, blue ones have taken their place in the mix. Number 3. The green ones aren't really an aphrodisiac. Not specifically anyway. While there's no substantiated evidence that the green coating makes a person more amorous, there's science that confirms chocolate does. Number 2. It's possible to eat M&Ms with chopsticks.
Today's challenge is going to be the M&M Chopstick Challenge.
There's even a record for it. The number to beat is 115, and they have to be consumed within 3 minutes. Number 1. The color mix isn't random. According to M&M, the content of each package is comprised mostly of blue, orange, and green at 24, 20, and 16% respectively. Yellow and brown are tied at 14% each. Bringing up the rear is red at 13%.